Hi, I'm Christy St. Clair, and welcome to Toxin Free Living. Today we're talking about bone health, strength, and future proofing your body. Midlife isn't when bones suddenly become fragile, it's when the rules for maintaining them change. Estrogen helps regulate bone rebuilding. When levels decline, breakdown begins to outpace repair, quietly and gradually. You don't feel bone loss happening. For many women, the first sign is the injury, which is why prevention matters now. Your body tears down old bone and rebuilds new bone every day. Our goal is to support the rebuilding side of that cycle. Bones stay strong when they receive the right message, and that message requires three signals working together. Walking supports your heart. Resistance supports your skeleton. Bones strengthen when they feel load. Calcium alone doesn't build bone. Your body needs a full mineral team so calcium goes into the bone, not just through the body. In your younger years, you stored bone, and now the goal shifts to protecting what you built. Bone rebuilding happens during recovery cycles. Better sleep equals better repair. And aging doesn't automatically weaken you, unsupported aging does. If you want guidance that grows with you, download the free guide below and join the Bloom Beyond Menopause newsletter. We support each phase as it changes.